Let's bring in David Bahnsen. I want to talk to you, David, about Eli Lilly. You're a dividend kind of guy, and Lilly just hiked its dividend 15%. They've got a $15 billion buyback as well. Are you buying Eli Lilly?
No, we're definitely not. And this is the case where that dividend hike works against the argument. They went from a 0.65% yield to a 0.74% yield, but the stock has gone from 100 to 800. It hasn't really moved all year. It's been kind of dead money through this huge 30% rally. But Stuart, why would a company that's making more money than they've ever made from a single drug be paying such a very low dividend? Going back 10, 15, 20 years, Eli Lilly had a 3, 4, or 5% dividend yield the entire time. Now it's way less than 1%. So we look to the dividend to see confidence from management that this free cash flow is going to expand. I think in this case, they had a huge blockbuster. Stock went up a lot, but management isn't paying the shareholders with cash from it. We're not touching it.
Got it. How about Amgen? You've recommended this previously. It's a very strong and growing dividend player. You still in with Amgen?
Yeah, definitely. And I brought it up just to contrast it to Lilly. Amgen, on the other hand, is paying almost a 3.5% dividend yield, and that represents $9 a share of real cash. So Amgen's management seems more confident in their future, their pipeline, their different drugs, their research and development for the future. We think Amgen is a better play in terms of the cash flow going forward.
See, what I want is a steady dividend payer, somebody who gives me 3 or 4%, and the possibility of a capital gain on top of that. You got anything like that for me?
Yeah, I just said one called Amgen, my friend. And this is basically what you want is what everybody wants.
Yeah.
And so a big high flyer that goes up once but then stays dead money for a long time, that's not what we want either. We want steady growth, and you measure it from the dividend. The dividend is not only money you and I are getting, Stuart, it's management telling you what they believe about the future of the business. So that's what we want to, and Amgen is a good example of that amongst all the other names I'm continually bringing you on your fine show.
I just wanted to thank you very much indeed for bringing me Blackstone. You recommended that on the basis of a 6 percentage point dividend, and I got a triple whammy, triple capital gain on the thing, which thank you very much indeed, David. You did that for me. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate that. It was my Christmas present for the last 6 or 7 years.
Yes, it was indeed. David, you're all right. We'll see you again soon.